What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, and guys, I am super pumped to finally have this box in my possession. This is the brand new Panasonic Lumix S1 full-frame camera, and I just want to give a big shout out to B&H Photo for loaning me this camera so I could do this review for you guys. Not this review, this unboxing. For those of you that aren't familiar with my channel, I tend to do video series on cameras as they come out. So the last video series I did on the camera was the Canon EOS R. You guys will check that out in the top right corner. I'll put a little card there if you guys want to check out that series of videos. But what I basically plan on doing is doing a bunch of different videos on this camera itself. So today is the unboxing. I'm going to give you guys the full unboxing experience, show you what comes included with this camera, and then I'll be doing a bunch of other videos. Like I'm going to give you guys a full detailed body tour of every button and every nook and cranny of the camera itself. We'll do a sample footage video. I'll even do whatever basically you guys, whatever content you guys want for this camera. Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what kind of videos you want me to do this. Of course, all those videos will culminate in the full detailed review of the the Panasonic Lumix S1. So enough talking. Let's get into the unboxing, guys. I'm super pumped with this. Just the box itself is beautiful. Okay, check this out. It's almost like they wanted to give you a great experience. I've unboxed Canon cameras and other Panasonic cameras. Pretty boring experience. I'm already blown away by just the way this is all nicely compacted and everything. This is beautiful. Just so you guys know, this one retails for $3,400. The kit I have right here is the one with the lens. It's the 24 to 105 millimeter lens. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this camera, I'll put links down below to B&H Photo to make that really easy for you to find. So let's see, we got one box right here. Let's go ahead and take all these different boxes and then we'll see what's inside each one of them separately, okay? And this one's kind of heavy, so that might be the camera. So that's another big box. We'll put that over here to the side. We got this camera box right here. Put that over here as well. Oh, actually, another box right over here. Put that to the side, and I believe this is the actual camera itself. So let's see what we've got. That's definitely the body right there. Let's pull it out. Okay, here we go. You guys ready? Let's check out the S1. Whoa. Man, that's actually a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. Let me just make sure everything's in focus for you guys here. So there we go. There is the body itself. Man, this is, wow, this has some real heft to it. I thought it was going to be kind of, well, it's very similar to like a GH5, but it feels a little bit bigger. Oh, let's take a look. You guys want to see it? You guys want to see it? I know you want to see the sensor. Let's check it out. Wait, where's the button to release? Here we go. Bink. There it is. That is not a micro four thirds sensor. No, that is a full frame sensor in there. Man, I cannot wait to take this camera out and test it. I actually have a shoot tomorrow. I'm doing a wedding, so this is gonna be, well, it's supposed to be my B camera. It might turn out being my A camera actually. Wow, I like that viewfinder. That is huge. Guys, I'm super impressed by the way this thing feels in the hand. You know, it's large, and I have bigger hands, so I actually like larger cameras. I know like the Sonys and those ones are really small, but it's nice to have. I mean, I can only imagine if you were to attach a battery pack to this thing would probably feel super hefty. But yeah, I'm liking this so far. Let me put this down. Let's check out some of the other things that come with this. But so far, I'm pretty impressed with this camera. Okay, so let's check out and see what's inside those other boxes. All right, so here's one of the bigger boxes. Let's pop this open. Let's see what is in here. Maybe it's the lens. Maybe it's the battery, and a bunch of other stuff. Nope, it's the lens. Ooh, and I did get the conversion kit for Canon EF lenses, so I will be using this with some serious Canon glass just to see how that looks with this as well. So that's that. Oh, gotta have the lens hood. Alright, so here we have the lens. It's actually a pretty chunky lens, which I like. I like the Canon EOS R has a huge lens. Those R lenses. This L lens is pretty big. So this is a 24 to 105, and man, so it comes with the obviously lens hood. Very nice, very nice. On the side we got the lock, autofocus, manual focus, optical image stabilization. I'm not sure why you want to turn optical image stabilization off, but here's a button, really quick and easy if you just want to snap it off. Ooh, very smooth. Okay, I'm liking this lens already. See how it holds up. But like I said, I do have the adapter, so I can use some Canon glass with this camera as well, which I probably will need at the wedding because I'm gonna have my 70 to 200 sport lens for some of those far distance shots and such. Can't get too up close with the groom and the bride during a wedding, so I might have to keep my distance. But this is definitely gonna be a nice lens to have with me. You know, 105 to 24. That's a nice little range right there. So let's see what else is in the other boxes. Okay, so here's another small box. So here we got all the stuff like the batteries, the charger. What kind of charger we got here? Oh, ooh, is that USB Type-C? Huh. That's, wait, why would that? Okay, 1 second. Let's see what this is here. What else we got? Oh, okay, okay. Is that for continuous power? Oh, hey, AC adapter, USB Type-C. That's impressive. I didn't know it actually worked off that way. So we do have a battery charger right here. And does it have the prongs? Oh, so this uses USB Type-C too. That's interesting. I did not realize that. Okay, that's cool. So we got that for the battery. The strap, S1 strap. Never use those, but that's in there. So there we have the cable. So this is what you use. Oh, wait. So this is I think this is a block. I probably should figure this stuff out before I just start talking about it, right? So let's see what this is here. So also included here is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and also a USB Type-C to 3.0, like USB-A type of port. So we got 2 of them right here. They also include like a little mounting bracket. I believe this is usually for like the what is this, for like audio cables and things like that, HDMI port. I remember having this for the GH5. I just don't remember exactly what it was used for because I never use it. So, but that is included in there. This little bracket. So it does look like so it does see like the AC adapter plugs into the wall plug right here, and then you use a USB Type-C to USB Type-C to connect that to the battery charger right here. I kind of wish the battery charger had prongs on it. I always like those types of chargers that just you don't have to have a cable with it, but that is the option here as well. And I'm wondering if I could also plug a USB Type-C from here into the camera itself to have continuous power. I don't know about that. I have to read up on it and see if that's actually an option, but if that is, that's pretty sweet to have continuous power built into here without having to buy like a separate kit to do that. So that's what comes inside this box. Okay, last but not least, the last box we have here. Let's see what goodies come inside this box. Oh, it's the manual. Nobody cares about the manual, right? Well, I probably should look at the manual. I need to figure some stuff out about this camera. But let's see here. Yep, that's all that's included in this box is just the manual. Alright, so that is it, guys. That is the unboxing for the Panasonic Lumix S1. And so like I said, guys, I am going to be putting this camera through its paces and testing it out. I'm really looking forward to this, playing with this camera. But like I said, I have a plan to do a bunch of different videos on this camera, so if there's any particular content you want to see, whether it's a menu system tour, or how to set up the Wi-Fi wireless to make it work with the app, or whatever it is that you want to see, post it in the comment section, please, guys, and I'll do my best to get those videos out to you while I have this camera in my possession. Unfortunately, I do have to return it because B&H Photo is just loaning me this camera. So one more shout out to B&H Photo for sending this to me. Thank you very much, guys. And if you guys want to purchase this product off of the website, like I said, I'll have a link down below in the description to make that really easy to find. So that's my first impressions and unboxing of the Lumix S1. And I will see you guys in the next video review.